This week we're going to be making a start on The Slow Show by The National. Now I'll just play what we're going to be aiming for starters. Now there's quite a few new techniques involved in getting to that stage, so I've broken it down. For this lesson we're going to start with the new chords. We're going to practice changing between the new chords, and then we'll have a look at the strum. And we're not going to bother with the capo, and we're not going to bother with this lifting of fingers off business, which will come a bit later. Okay, so starters, we've got the new chords. Last week you learned A minor, which is your middle finger on the D string in the 2nd fret, your ring finger on the G string in the 2nd fret, and your index finger on the B string in the 1st fret. Play all strings except the top. Okay, our next chord is D minor, which is your middle finger in the 2nd fret on the G string, your ring finger in the 3rd fret on the B string, and your index finger in the 1st fret on the E string. And really just the bottom 4 strings. You can hit the A string if you want to. It sounds nicest with just the bottom 4. So that's A minor, D minor. Alright. Now the other chord that's in the song is an F major 7. F major 7 is your ring finger in the 3rd fret on the D string, your middle finger in the 2nd fret on the G string, and your index finger in the 1st fret on the B string. Now, this is another one where you're really just playing the bottom 4 strings. Now, it's not going to be the end of the world if you hit the A string. There's a bonus new chord for you to practice. It's not in the song, but it's worth learning at this stage. That's an F. Now an F has a tricky feature in that you have to take your index finger and cover the bottom 2 strings, the E string and the B string, in the 1st fret. So they're both making a noise. Then your middle finger goes on the G string, 2nd fret. And finally your ring finger, 3rd fret on the D string. And once again, you're looking at playing the bottom 4 strings. You can hit the A string if you want, but it's not as nice. So there's your F. F major 7, which is in the song. D minor. And A minor. Sorry about that, just had to get the phone. So, resuming normal service. Our new chords are A minor, D minor, F major 7, and you've got a bonus new chord which is F. Okay, so now we're going to get some practice changing between the new chords and some of the chords we already know. So I've written out this sequence of chords. Now it's not exactly how the song goes, but it's similar to how the song goes, and it'll do for practice. So you can see we've got A minor, F major 7, C, G, C, F major 7, A minor, G, E minor, D minor, C, G, the bottom line. Okay, so we're not going to do the new strum yet, we'll just do the old strum. Ow, my hands are hurting. Down, down, up, up, down, up. And we'll just run through the sequence. We'll do each line twice, so we'll go A minor, F major 7, C, G, twice, that's the first line. We'll go C, F major 7, line twice, that's the second line, and the last line, E minor, D minor, C, G. And we'll run through that twice as well. Okay, so it did a little bit slower than I was just doing it then. Cool. Okay, so that's just practicing changing between the new chords. Probably want to run through that sequence there 3 or 4 times, or even more, until you're sort of really comfortable changing between the A minor and the D minor, getting your new F major 7 in there, that kind of thing. Then when you're comfortable with that, we can have a look at the new strum. Okay, so the strum is a sequence of 2 downs and up, 2 downs and up, 1 down and an up. So it's down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And each of the downs, if you think of it in 3 sections, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, each of those first downs has a little bit more oomph than the other 2. So it'll be down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. I'm exaggerating a bit so you can hear what I'm talking about, but yeah, in practice it'll sound a bit more like. Okay, so I'm going to do that a bit slower, just on the chord of A minor, just so you can practice the strum, and remember it's down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. That's your sequence there. So. So practice that until you're comfortable with it,